Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. Here in this session, we are going to discuss very important MCQs for Python libraries. On Python libraries, you are going to learn so many concepts using Python libraries, their functions and important facts, how they works, when they works, and many more. So I hope that you are going to love this video. You are going to enjoy throughout the video. It is a request that do watch this video till the end. And if further, if you are having any doubt or confusion meanwhile watching the session, you can comment us in the comment section and I am going to solve your doubts as early as possible. So guys, do subscribe, like the video, and let's start. Question number one here is, if working in the Microsoft Windows environment, then Python library files have an extension as. So if you are working in any Windows operating system using Python libraries, then Python libraries have an extension of DLL. Basically, that is called as dynamic load dynamic load libraries, DLL. So option C is the correct answer, guys. Question number 2. TensorFlow library in Python was developed by. TensorFlow is very important library under Python environment, and it was developed by Google with the collaboration of brain team. So in the collaboration of brain team, with the collaboration of brain team, Google has developed TensorFlow, right? Very important libraries in Python. Question number 3. Which of the following Python library is responsible for plotting the numerical data in data analysis? NumPy, pandas, pybrain, or matplotlib? So basically you want to plot the data. Which data? Numerical kind of data. Like any numerical data you can represent in the graph format, in the pie chart format. You can represent it using scatter plot method. You can represent it in histogram method and many more. Like a numerical data you can represent in graphical format, pie chart, scatter plotting, histogram, and many more. You can do this task with the help of one of the important library of Python that is called as matplotlib. Option D, matplotlib. Okay. Question number 4. Which of the following Python library is responsible for supporting operations like sorting, re-indexing, iteration, concatenation, conversion of data, visualization, and aggregations? NumPy, pandas, pybrain, or matplotlib? Out of these four, which is correct? So basically, if you want to do these functions you can do with the help of pandas library. Very important libraries. With the help of pandas you can sort out the complex data, right? You can sort them out, and you can reindex them, you can concatenate them, you can visualize the data. All this task can be done with the help of pandas libraries. Question number 5. Array interface is one of the key feature of which of the given Python library? NumPy, pandas, pybrain, or matplotlib? What you need to do? Array interface. Basically, to deal with complex numerical data, to deal with complex numerical data that can be multidimensional arrays, that can be multidimensional arrays, or that can be, you can say that, multidimensional matrices or large matrices, you can say that, or any complex data. To deal with them, there is a Python library that is called as NumPy. Basically stands for numerical Python. Basically stands for numerical Python, right? So option A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 6. Which of the following library is used for high-level scientific computation? High-level and computation is scientific in nature. Very important. Scientific Python. The name of library is Scientific Python. Scipy. Scientific Python. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the library is used for extracting the data from websites? So let's say if you are having a website, you want to extract the important data that can be useful in data mining. So to extract the data from any given website, you can use scipy. And with the help of this scipy, web crawling becomes much easier. Web crawling becomes much easier, much faster. And you can scan the web pages. You can extract the content of web pages. You can do the data mining easily. So scipy, option C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 8. Which of the library is used for working with complex data that supports various supervised and unsupervised algorithm? So supervised or unsupervised algorithm can be there. And what is the question? What is the library used for working with complex data that supports this? So complex data that is performing supervised, unsupervised, that may be in the sense of, we can say that classification, that can be in the sense of, we can say that regression, that can be in the sense, we can say that clustering, right? And on complex data, if we need to do these algorithms, the best algorithm that we can prefer is scikit-learn. Scikit-learn. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the library is used for developing video games using computer graphics and audio libraries along with Python programming language? So along with Python programming language, you want to develop gaming with the help of media graphics, audio libraries, and the library that is responsible is Python game. That is pygame. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 10. Which of the library is used for solving application issues related to neural networks? Related to neural networks, right? The library that is used is called as PyTorch. PyTorch is a Python library and it is an open source library, very important library, open source library, which you can use to solve application issues like neural networks, right? So option D is the correct answer for this. Question number 11. What will be the output of the following Python code? So this code is there. So basically, for importing any library, the syntax is import. For example, we want to import numpy. So import numpy as np. It means that we are importing numpy library with the name np. So importing math library here, importing math, the input is given to a variable is a 25, and what function we are applying under math library? Math.sqrt. That is sqrt, square root. Square root is a name of function which we are applying inside the rule which is there in the math library. We are not writing the complete code of square root. For finding square root of any variable, we are not writing code of it, but we are importing it with the help of which library? Math library. This is the syntax, math.square root. This is the name of function which we are importing, and this is the name of module from which we are importing. And how to import complete math module? Import math. Import math. Right? Here is A. So output would be 5. It is going to perform square root of 25, that is 5. 5 will be the correct output. So I hope, guys, all the important questions that we have discussed here in reference of Python libraries are very much clear. You can give your feedbacks. You can ask your doubts, confusions, queries in the comment section and give your honest review that whether in future also you want to continue such kind of lectures. If it is useful for you, we are happily going to discuss such more important questions so that you can prepare very well for such emerging technology languages like Python. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like the video as well. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.